Welcome back, everyone. This is GTA Failer. Let's jump right back into the start of day number 9. Okay, as usual, we'll take our quick look at the plan, make a copy of your save file if you haven't done so. Reminder to carry a stack of parsnips with you for gifts. There they are, 36 left. Check the luck to see if it's a good luck day or a great luck day, in which case we'll do some mining. We're going to do some mining anyway, but if it's a good luck day, we'll do a lot more mining than I had planned. So let's see. Spirits feel neutral, so probably not a great day to spend a ton of time in the mine. It says we need 5 gold bars for tomorrow. I think we've got that already. Let's just double check. As usual, yeah, we've got plenty of gold bars. You can see there on the right. But we'll take our coffee and maybe take a look at the bar situation to decide which ones we want to make next. So the bars are right here. And let's see, we've got 93 gold. I can organize these things here. 93 gold, 116 iron, and then 65 copper. I've been pushing these two because they are harder to get. And these ones here we can get no problem pretty darn quick. Okay, so going back to where we were. Let's see, we got the 5 gold bars. Then it says get the clay out of the chest. So I think the clay is in the next chest over, this one here. And we want to hoe some random spots on the ground until we have a total of 10 clay. And so this could take us a little while. We'll see what happens. But let's go ahead and what are we going to do? Let's do some more gold bars here. Just to get keep the party going. Okay, and one note there, we can see that our stable is completed. That's our horse right there in the top right corner of the screen, which is pretty cool. It means that we'll be gallivanting all around this place much, much faster than before. And you can see our farm is doing well here. Everything is sprouting. Let's take a look at the mail. And as usual, we passed out at 2 a.m. Okay, so we are going to... what's the next? Hang on one second. Okay, I just wanted to take a quick look and see why we weren't planning on making a new building today, because our stable just got finished, and it's because the carpenter is not open on the 9th, not open on whatever today is, Tuesday. And so our next building is going to be the silo tomorrow, right there. And in order to afford the silo, we need 10 clay, and so it's going to be kind of annoying, but that's what we got to do right now, is hoe some random spots until we have 10 clay. So here we go. I'm going to stay away from my farm and just run over this way. So this right over here is where we're going to do some more planting. Oh, there's one. Excellent. So we're up at 5. Let's just put this in the top row so that we can so that we can see our progress. So just continuing to hoe random spots in the hopes that we get some clay. That's the goal. And I was going to say we're over here already. We might as well get the hardwood, but we don't have our axe. We turned that in yesterday. Let's go ahead and grab some of these things here. We'll get this stone that's been in our way the whole time. Okay, all good there. And then continuing to till the ground in the hopes of finding whatever we need, 5 more. You can see that it's going to take a while. It's pretty rare. I actually saw a YouTube video where somebody described that it had the case had been cracked in terms of, like, once you find 1 clay, it's pretty easy to predict, not easy, but it's predictable, maybe like where the next batches of clay are going to be. And so they just like go from 1 clay square to the next and make it look easy. Not like this. Okay, let's keep on bashing the ground. And we could do this anytime. Maybe I'll come back and do some more of it later, because I do think it's going to be a while before we get our 5 clay, and we've got some stuff to do. Let's break. Stuff that needs done while businesses are open. Yeah, but you can see here, not so much clay so far. Okay, the energy is going down. Yeah, I think it's time to bail on this clay project, although that was number 6. That's pretty exciting. All right, so I'm just going to pause and keep hammering away at the clay until I get 10. I will come right back. Okay, and I'm back, and I just got my 10th piece of clay. That's cool. That'll be helpful for tomorrow when we build our silo, but I think we can store it for right now. It says here, take furnaces and charcoal and gold and go fish. And I might do some fishing. Reminder to take the horse. We should always be taking the horse now. But we don't need to do a lot of fishing. I think there was only like 1 fish that we could catch that we hadn't caught yet in that mountain lake. And then it says fish for missing fish and get to fishing level 4 to unlock the recycling machine. And then, yeah, just a pretty easy day here in terms of not having a lot of stuff regimented. But let's go ahead and let's see what we can do here. Let's rebait these things here because why not? There we go. And let's go ahead and store some of these items. So the clay can go right up here. And let's see, what else can we do? We can take the driftwood and put it right here. Anything else? Snails, I think we got plenty of snails. So let's put those snails up there. Periwinkles, do we have any of those? Yes, we do. We've got them right there. Plenty, so I don't need to check my spreadsheet. Common mushroom and chanterelle. I think we can use both of those things. There's some basic fertilizer here. I had some extra. So let's take a quick look over at the all items list. And we'll go to the common mushroom. And it says we've already collected 2 of them, and now we've got some more to collect. So we need to cook and we need to ship. That requires 3 for the cooking. So I think let's see, we've got 5 of them right now. So yeah, so we can cook with 3, ship 1, and then we'll be all set. So we add 4 to this and we get 6. And we're going to ship with a yes and cook with a yes. So let's give that a shot right now. So cooking in the yellow with 3 of these things, 1, 2, 3. Ship 1, right click. And then we can put in the farming stuff, the fertilizer. We're done with that. Stone can go right in here. Gold will hold on to common mushroom and then chanterelle. So the common mushroom can go down here in the mushrooms bin, this red one. And then let's take a look and see what we need to do with this chanterelle business. So it looks like we need 2, 1 to ship and 1 to craft. So let's say that we've got 1 so far, and we're going to go ahead and put it in the craft bin. And that's right up here, this brown one. Okay, cool, all done there. And then I don't have this listed on my sheet because it was a spur of the moment decision in my day 8 yesterday. But I did carve out in the top left-hand corner of the screen, you can see those sprinklers, carved out some space for some parsnips. And I'm actually interested in getting 5 gold parsnips, which will help me with a future bundle. So let's go ahead and buy some parsnips right now and take our very first ride on our horse. Oh, should we get some more of these bars? Why the heck not? One thing to note about the horse, it's got that, I think, 30% speed boost, but if you're drinking coffee with the 10% speed boost, then the 2 boosts combine. So that's what we're going to do. Let's hop on with the let's name the horse Grover, you bet. So the right-hand mouse button, and then say giddy up, big guy. Oh, so nice. So nice to be moving at the speed of a horse. One restriction with the horses, they can't move vertically when there's only a 1-tile gap. Okay, so we do have people in here we can chat with. Let me just buy my parsnips first. Is there an exercise program happening over there? Okay, so let's go with 50 for right now. And let's turn everything off here. So we'll talk, and then we'll talk here, and then we'll give a parsnip, and give a parsnip. And I would go back and interrupt that exercise class, but the door is locked, and I don't think I have enough hearts with anybody to get into a locked door. So for example, if I come here, oh, I do. Can I talk to folks? Do you get in like trouble for interrupting people? Ugh. let's gift. Oh, we can gift. That's pretty exciting. Okay. Exercising can be fun, you bet. So just talking to everybody first, and then we'll gift everybody a parsnip. It's healthy. These people are clearly interested in good health. Super. Okay, so we're out of here. And then what we're going to do is hop back on Grover here, and I think we'll head over to the mine, and actually just do the last of the fishing. Okay, good, good, good. And then we'll come back and plant those parsnips, and we need to increase our whatchamacallit, our level for mining, because we're still at this paltry 0, and we need to unlock cherry bombs by getting that up to level 1. Something I wish I would have done on the first or second day. Okay, so we'll go back up to our fishing spot up here. And we could give gifts, but we're just gonna make a beeline here. I'm looking around to see if there's any nice fishing spots with the bubbles. I don't see anything. So without any of that, we'll just come right here. I'll take a quick look to remind myself of what fish we need. So you can see we've marked them down here. Looks like a carp. I think we can get a carp right here. And then a wood skip maybe in the pond over at the farm. Okay, so let's see if we can get ourselves a carp. Let's put the trout soup up here. 7, eat. Yep. And then fish. So you can navigate your line left or right after you toss it. So let's grab that chest. And come on now, we're having some trouble here. And sometimes that helps you get into a better zone, like zone 5 I think is the best zone. Chub, that's not what I want. What do we have here? Ooh, emeralds, our first minerals. Cool. Okay, so yeah, just gonna fish here for a little bit. I don't have anything else that needs to happen before any store closes, so we're good here for a while, and then we'll go back to the farm, plant those. I think it took too long. Plant those parsnips, and also still taking too long, and also get our mining level higher. That's the plan. Okay, so maybe we'll just do 1 or 2 more here on video, and then let you know hopefully when I get that carp, and then we'll head back to the farm. I don't need algae. Actually, I might need algae. What I really want is a carp. Give it to me. Okay, is this anything? Hopefully, hopefully. Okay, bullhead, new record. Yay for me. Okay, I'll come back in a little bit with some more fishing under my belt. Okay, and we're back. Didn't take too much longer. We got our carp, also got some goodies. Oh, another mineral and 2 geodes. Excellent. If I cared about fishing more, I'd go right there, but we don't need any more fishing at the moment. Also note that, let's see, so we'll mark the carp as done. And also note that in the, where is it? In the daily plan, it said make sure you get to fishing level 4 to unlock the recycling machine. So we've already done that. The recycling machine is available to us somewhere right there. Wood, stone, and iron bars. Excellent. Okay, so let's drink some coffee and head back to the farm. Where is Grover? Giddy up. Okay, since we're going back to the farm, let's see if we can take this slight shortcut over here. And there's one foraging thing I'm looking for. I think we were 1 item short on the foraging collection in that bundle. Okay, so we're right here. Let's go ahead and plant our parsnips. So minus here. So we're just trying to plant 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I have all these extra hode spots. That's when I was looking for whatchamacallit, the clay. So I don't want to plant any over there because those ones don't have sprinklers associated with them. But hopefully this is sufficient for getting my 5 gold parsnips. I actually think I already have 2 of them, just randomly from the initial collection of parsnips that we did. Okay, so let's put the parsnips right here. So I guess we just planted 22 of them and fertilized them. And then 4 days from now, so on the, I think on the 14th, yeah, 4 full days from now, we can see what we've got. See if we have any golds. We're looking for 3 more. Okay, so what can we do here? Let's see, we can put the parsnip seeds there. And we can go down here. We got some fish that I think can just kind of get absorbed right here. Add to existing stacks. Oh, none. All right, so we got a chub, a bullhead, a largemouth bass, and a carp. All right, so I guess I got to do some collecting here. I guess we'll put the minerals and geodes and things where they belong because it's our first time getting those. We'll get plenty more when we actually make our way into the mines. But here you go, mining things. Geodes go right here. Minerals go right here in the bottom row. So let's do that anyway. So minerals here. There's the emerald. What is this? Those things are misfiled. Mineral there. Mineral there. And I think that's it. And then other mining stuff can go here, like the 2 geodes. All right, that's cool. Where does the cooked stuff go? In the bottom right one right here. It's purple. Okay, so coleslaw and cheese. Artisan goods go with the cooked things. Actually, cheese I think is one of our items in a bundle. Let's just see what we're supposed to do with that. That's not what I meant. Let's go in here. Cheese. Okay, what does all this say here? Cheese. All right, so we need to ship 1 and cook with 3. So at the moment we only have 1. And I know I typically don't focus on shipping in the beginning, but let's just do it. Ship the cheese, mark the cheese as shipped, 1, and shipped. Okay, so what else do we have here? We've got a chub, a carp, largemouth bass. Largemouth bass. So the largemouth bass is done. I can see it's all white here. So we'll just throw that into the fish chest. Let's keep looking here. The chub, where is that? The chub is done. What else did we have here? Was the carp? Guessing we'll have to do something with this. Carp. Let's see, we need to put 1 carp in a bundle. Let's do that right now. So we have 1, put it in the bundle. The bundle right here is this green. Carp. Okay, and then finally the bullhead. Do we need to do anything else with those? Yes, we do. We need to put a bullhead in a bundle as well. Done there. Okay, so the bullhead goes up there, and then 2 more green algae. That actually is something I'm looking for. Green algae. So we need, we put 5 in the cooking thing, and then we need 5 for a building to construct the fish pond. So let's put 2 of these in the building thing, which is this guy. Those go right there. And we'll say we just put in 2 more, so 7 altogether, 3 remaining. And then we'll go down here and we'll file the fish. Okay, and I think we're looking good here. So the only other task that I had for today was to get our pickaxe to at least level 1. And I think we'll be able to do that pretty easily by just smashing some rocks, including the big ones that we couldn't smash before. So we smash this, and then there we go. Is this not, I'm looking at my mining progress. It doesn't seem like anything's happening. I thought smashing these rocks. There we go. Maybe it's only the little ones that you get credit for. Okay, yeah, so I can see now the red bar rapidly progressing to the right. And we got to clear the whole farm anyway, so might as well do that along the way. Okay, so smashy, smashy. Oh, another geode. That's cool. Yeah, I didn't realize that the big rocks didn't seem to give any experience. I thought they would give even more experience than the little rocks. Shows what I know. Okay, painfully close now to level 1 mining. That's pretty awesome. There it is, level 1. Excellent. So that will unlock the cherry bombs, which means that tomorrow we'll finally be able to go into the mine, something that I intended to do, I think, on like day number 5. And I goofed on day 1 or 2, and then this is the result. Long-term carryover with these goose. Okay, so all good here. Coming back up this way. And let's see what we're going to do. I think what we're going to do is probably fish in our little pond here. Because we are missing a fish that we can find in our pond, and also we'd like to get a few more of the oops, not there, the CDs. We got 8, and glasses, we got 5 of them. So 8 and 5 is 13. We need at least 16, and more would be better in the long run. So let's put the geode up there. We'll put some more stuff that we just got in here. That, and I think that's about it. We'll come up here and put some stones. We'll leave the charcoal. And just so that I can keep track, we'll put these 2 things right up here. And I don't know, should we get some more of these gold things? I feel like we have plenty now. I probably can never have too many. All right, so we'll ignore that top row and see if we can fish in here. So here we go. No need to go for a long toss here. Just have to land it in the water. And hoping for like a rare fish. Once in a while you do get a fish in the small pond, but mostly just looking for CDs and glasses. Again, trying to improve that 13 that we have there. I waited too long there. All right, soggy paper is nothing. Although maybe you can make that a cloth. All right, so I think this might be the fish that we're missing, that wood skip something or other. Let's see. Wood skip. Excellent. Let's mark it. So the fish and the wood skip is done. So that is the last of the spring fish, except for the legendary fish, which you can't get until you're at level 10 fishing, which I think is possible in spring, but that is not our focus in this playthrough. We got everything in the crab pot. That's good. Summer stuff is down here in green. Obviously not available yet. Fall not available. Winter not available. But there are some special area fish that you can find in the mines, for example, or in the desert. Haven't even been over there. Witches, Swamp, Mutant, Bugler, Ginger Island. So there are some special ones here. Sewer, Pirate Cove, which in theory you could get anytime, but you got to access these areas first, obviously. And then the night market, that's some festival. I think it's in the winter. So I think we've done all the fishing that we can do here until we head into the mines and maybe even the desert this season. Okay, so that's cool. Let's keep on getting, hopefully, some CDs and glasses. And I think this is a good thing for us to just do for the rest of the night here. Not terribly exciting. Green algae, that's good. We needed some of those. I think we're going to need to have a snack first. Our energy is running low. Okay, this maybe is another wood skip, I guess. Okay, cool. Oh, smallmouth bass. All right, so the energy is at 29. I think each toss maybe is like 7. Oh, there's some glasses. That's cool. 21. All right, so each toss is 8. So we're definitely going to need to eat. That's okay. I'm always up for a midnight salad. Come on, did I miss the exclamation point? This is taking a long time. Right, let's pull up. Oh, I didn't even notice that we had a hit there. All right, eat the salad. Tiny bit more fishing here until we pass out. I got tricked by the snoozing graphic there above my head. This would be easier. The fishing would be easier for me if I could hear the sound, because it does make a pretty distinct sound when you get the hit. But for purposes of recording this video, I don't have any sound turned on in my ears. So it's all silent, just looking for that little exclamation point. So the newspapers I do think are worth something, because we can convert those into cloth by tossing them into recycle bins. All right, so there we go. We've got our 16. That's pretty cool. That task is done for now. Still good to get more, so that we can get more refined quartz. And asleep. Okay, another productive day, gang. Good work. All right, level 1 mining, finally. Oh my goodness, this should have happened on day 2. Okay, so we have the recipe for the cherry bomb, which means tomorrow we'll actually go into the mine and do something I had planned to do on day 5. So that's pretty exciting. All right, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you real soon.